Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly and step by step how you can add page borders to your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So without further ado, let us dive into this. Access the Microsoft Word document you would like to edit. For example, guys, if you're using Microsoft Office 365, you may find the page border option in the following section. Simply switch from the Home tab here in the top left corner to the Design tab here to the right, and here on the very right hand side you will see a section called Page Background. So here to the right you will see the page borders, so click on it, and after that you will see that window popping up here. So here you may select, for example, one of these preset settings like box, shadow, 3D, and so on and so forth. So simply select your page border. Like, for example, you may select a style like a constant line like that, a dotted line, a line like that one here, or a mixed line, and you may go through that list here and, for example, use a thick border style like this, and so on and so forth. You may also adjust the color here, and so on and so forth. What you want to do after that, guys, is, let's say, for example, I would go with a dotted page border like this here. What you want to do is select also the positioning of the border, or of these borders here to the right. Like, for example, if I click on that icon here, the page border may be selected or unselected for the top or at the top. So you may, for example, decide to have the page border only to the left and to the right. In this case here, you would need to disable the page border at the top and also at the bottom, just like that. And that's basically it. Last but not least, decide whether you'd like to apply that border setup for your entire document or only for specific section or specific pages. So let me go with that setup here. It looks pretty nice. And last but not least, simply click on OK here to apply these borders. And as you can see, these borders have been successfully added to my Word document. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.